let's face it, today's procurement isn't what it used to be. In 2025, I see more and more CFOs moving away from clunky, in-house procure-to-pay processes and embracing outsourcing to stay ahead. Why? Because when you're handling everything from supplier selection to invoice payments internally, things can get messy, fast. Mistakes creep in, costs rise, and scaling up feels like pushing a boulder uphill. As pressures on compliance and invoice volumes go up, agility becomes everything. That's where P2P outsourcing comes in. It's not just about cutting costs, though yes, you'll see real savings on infrastructure and staffing. It's also about boosting efficiency, owning your compliance, and tapping into expertise you just can't build overnight. Let me give you an example. ARDEM is helping businesses modernize procurement from the ground up. They blend top-tier outsourcing know-how with powerful tech. Think AI, automation, and real-time analytics. So instead of wrestling with spreadsheets and disconnected workflows, you get streamlined processes and clear visibility into every transaction. Here's how it works. First, ARDEM dives deep into your current challenges and goals. Then, they craft a tailored outsourcing strategy, integrating with your systems, automating the repetitive stuff, and easing your team's transition. After that, continuous monitoring ensures everything runs smoothly and scales as you grow. But the real win isn't just fewer errors or faster approvals. It's building stronger vendor relationships, getting crystal clear reporting, and making smarter decisions across your finance and procurement teams. As we head into 2025, the smartest finance leaders I know are turning P2P outsourcing into their secret weapon for operational excellence. If you're ready to ditch old bottlenecks and transform procurement into a growth engine, maybe it's time to see what ARDEM can do for you.